Hey everyone, in this assignment I'm going to be going over the updates page in Schoology. For each one of your classes, you're going to have an updates page. It is the landing spot for students, so it's very important for the communication of the class and for students to feel connected to the class and provided as much information as possible to keep them on task. So just like your traditional classroom, there's a whiteboard in the front of the room. The updates page for Schoology is like the whiteboard in front of your room. Things that you'd put on a whiteboard, I'm sure you would all know, is class objectives. Maybe there's an exit ticket for that day in the class that you're pointing out that they need to have that done by the end of the day to leave the class that day. They might have upcoming events or upcoming assignments going on for the class that they're going on for the rest of the week. Maybe some key terms that you're focusing on or uh, key skills that you've been focusing on. All those things need to be in the updates page. Mr. Colstock's our IT teacher. He's teaching game design for this one. He does a great job in his updates page of communicating daily with students to give them things that he wants them to do, giving them direction for the class. In this case, he has grades. Grades are now up in the grade book, or everything's graded. Students can go in there and check things out, see if there's anything that needs to still make up before finals week, and he posted that in the announcements. He has the greatest of all time award. He acknowledged students in here. He has some bigger touch controls that maybe students were having trouble with their touch controls. He's giving some direction on how to make them bigger in there. So all of those things, he's communicating as much as possible to keep them connected to the class, give them direction so they're doing better in the assignments. And it's just giving that link to the students that might feel like they're on an island otherwise because they're completely virtual or they're in children's hospital or homebound, all those things. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. But that's an overview of the updates page. Thank you very much.